Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, we will see Teller Money tutorial. Teller Money helps you track and manage finances by linking your bank accounts to Google Sheets or Excel. First, sign up on the Teller Money website and connect